If you want to uninstall an app from your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, then you have a couple of ways to do so. You can, for example, open the list of apps, and then if you press and hold your finger on anything that you wish to remove, then after a while you will find the uninstall option. So you can press on it and then confirm your choice to do so. Besides that, you can also go to settings. So open settings on your Galaxy Watch 8. Over here we need to scroll down in order to find the apps option. There we go. And then go to app list. Here you should be able to find, of course, the list of apps that we have. You can select the app that you wish to uninstall, scroll down in order to find uninstall option. So you can tap over here and then confirm your choice. You can also uninstall apps by using your phone. So if you have Galaxy Wearable, if you open it, then you should be able to go to watch settings, over here go to apps, and then you should be able to select the app that you wish to uninstall and then press uninstall button and confirm your choice. And there we go, the app is gone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.